Now, after understanding the definition of an off-page SEO, let's have a look at how these off-page SEO techniques are being implemented on a real-life scenario. Welcome back, guys, to the off-page SEO session. In this video of ours, we will be learning how to make an backlink for our websites. So what are backlinks? Backlinks is basically the way, or it's a technique where we paste a link on different websites or domain so that the crawlers or users can find our link present on multiple platforms, and by clicking on those links they can get redirected towards our website. For example, if I want to create the backlink of my few of the blogs, so first of all I'll go to those blogging websites or blogging pages. For example, I want to create a backlink of one of my posts that I've written on the business plan for profitable SEO agency. Now I want to create a backlink for this post so that the SEO ranking of this website increase. So I'll simply copy the URL. Now I need to go to the multiple platforms or different websites. One of the example that I'm taking right now is of Shout Me Loud. It is one of the very popular blogging website. So like I've gone here on a blog. I just need to search a good blog. Suppose I'm finding this blog good. Now you can see there is a 21 comments present at the bottom of this blog. So we'll simply scroll down. And let's look for the area. So here it is, the option to write the comment. So we just need to look for the place from where we can enter our comments. Probably it must be at the bottom of the page. Yeah, so now I need to add a comment. Now out here we'll just simply write very nice article and just paste your link. So you need to just write few lines so that people are aware like what is the stuff that they can find or what is the comment all about, and after that just paste your link. It is asking me to enter my name, so my name is Kunal, and enter my email ID as gmail.com. Once I've entered my username and my email ID, I just need to simply click on submit comment. Now my comment probably might have gone for the moderation, or it must be published idly out here. So just similarly these comments are appearing. One of the comments which after moderation, it takes a little bit of time for the comments to appear on the websites because it is under the moderation or under the checking of the owner of the website. So once they approve those comments to appear on these websites, so my comment would be appearing somewhere in this list of the comments along with my URL. So when the crawler would be coming down to read these pages, the crawler would be even reading the URL which is present out there on my platform. Once those crawlers find my URL, they would be coming back to the page of mine where this blog is present. This process is called as a backlinking. The crawlers are coming back towards our page or post. With higher number of backlinks, the ranking of my page increases. So I need to create a quality backlink. Quality backlink means we need to paste the URL of our page or post on a good website which is having a good ranking. As you can see on the screen, these are the list of few of the websites where you can create your own backlink by simply going out there and creating an account. So the different ways of doing the backlinking or the different ways of doing off-page SEO is by doing backlinking or writing comments on different websites, by article submission, by guest posting, by directory submissions. These are the few ways that through which we can create the backlink of our website.